I love you for 100 reasons. I love you because you give me butterflies on my stomach. I love you because you love me. I love you because you love me with no conditions. I love you because with you I know the best is still ahead. I love you because you know exactly what to say to make me smile. I love you because you make me believe I'm amazing. I love you because you are simply irresistible. I love you because of your intelligence. You were smart enough to fall in love with me. I love you because you don't complain when I'm being high maintenance. I love you because you have taught me the true meaning of love. I love you because you understand my deepest thoughts. I love you because you are so true to me. I love you because you are more than I ever could have dreamed for. I love you because you give me some of your time and attention that I deserve. I love you because we share the same dreams. I love you because without you, I'd be lost. I love you because you make me feel safe. I love you because you're not afraid to be yourself. I love you because you're never afraid to say what needs to be said. I love you because you never make me feel like you don't have time for me. I love you because you make me feel important. I love you because of your sincerity. I love you because you actually care. I love you because you're drop dead sexy. I love you because of what our future has to hold. I love you because you are the one. I love you because of who you are. I love you because you're you. And I love you because you want to grow old with me. I love you so much. Happy 6 months, Lee. I love you once, I love you twice, I love you thrice, I love you forever. I love you, boyfriend ko.